Hey discoverers, in today's discovery, we are going to discover about a Japanese car, which is the Honda City. This is how the key fob of the car looks. You get a lock button, a unlock button, a remote engine start option, and to open your boot. This is how the car looks from outside. The Honda City's first generation in India was launched in 1998. This year, Honda has launched the fifth generation of this car. So in today's discovery, let's uncover this generation of Honda City 2020. First and foremost, let's see the hood of this car. This is how the engine bay looks. You have the Honda's Earth's Dream technology iVTEC engine. Actually, Honda has two engine options with it. This is the 1.5 liter petrol iVTEC DOHC with variable timing control with both manual and CVT option. This car is also offered with 1.5 liter IDTech DOHC with only manual transmission. There is insulation over here. This is how the car looks from the front. These are the headlamps. Actually, these three are for your high beam and others are for your low beam. These are the indicators. This is the DRL of this car. You have the fog lamps. In this car, actually, lots of chrome are used. Over here, at the nose of this car, you actually get a white bold strip of chrome, which actually runs till the headlamp of this bonnet. Now let's go towards the boot of this car. This is how the car looks from behind. Now let's open the boot of this car with just a click. This is how the boot of this car looks. It's a huge boot. The volume of this boot is approx 506 liters. This is the boot lamp. This is the spare wheel of this car. This is actually the backlight of this car. It is a nice Z shape. This is actually the top variant ZX. Over here, you get the badging of Honda. This is the rear camera, the city badging. These are your parking sensors. Actually, this car has changed a lot and it do resembles its bigger sibling, which is the Honda Civic. This is the rear windshield of this car. Your brake light. You have the shark fin antenna over here. You can perform a host of functions with this key, which I will keep it at the end. Now talking about the dimensions of this car. This car has a length of 4549 mm, the width of 1748 mm, with a height of 1489 mm. The wheelbase of this car is 2600 mm. Now talking about the side of this car. This is the place for your fuel. It has a fuel tank of 40 liters. These are the diamond cut alloy wheels. The size of this alloy wheel is 185/55 R16. These are 16 inches tires. These are the chrome door handles. This is the right ORVM. Over here, you get a lane camera. These are your front chrome door handles with keyless entry. This is the sunroof, the front windshield, the wipers. Now let's get inside and see what this car offers us. Firstly, with the rear side, the car opens up quite widely. This is for your child lock. There are even chrome bars to open your doors. There is soft beige upholstery, places to keep your water bottles, your speakers. These are the reading lights. This car has complete leather upholstery. You get 3 headrests. There are soft leather interiors. The gear hump is also quite small, so fitting 3 over here won't be an issue. These are the rear hand grippers for yourself to be comfortable. The front seat is actually scooped out to increase legroom of this car. In this car, a 6-feeter can actually be comfortable because he has enough headroom and enormous amount of legroom for him. These are your rear sunshades. These are your blowers. You get blower control over here. These are the 12-volt power outlets. Places to keep your magazines and other stuffs. This is how the front dashboard of this car looks. Now let's get towards the driving seat. These are for your windows. This is to lock the windows. These are switches to lock and unlock the car. These are for your ORVMs. Front tweeters. This is the engine start stop button. These are the switches for your traction control to adjust your headlamps. These are toggles to open a fuel lid and the boot of this car. This is to open the boot of this car. You actually don't get electronic adjustment for your seats. This is the steering wheel of this car, and we have a volume controls. This is for the MID display. This is to shift your track. These are for your calls. These switches are for your cruise control. As this is an automatic car, you get paddle shifters. This is how the front MID of this car looks. Over the left, you get a RPM, and over the right, you get a speed dials. It also has a digital speed meter. You get tachometer. The range and fuel consumption or average fuel consumption of this car. The average speed and the total time driven for this car. You get a new feature called a G meter. There is option to customize the display. This is the infotainment screen of this car. This is for your volume controls. These are for the apps. You actually get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with it. This is a control for your AC. These toggle switches give a nice and tactile feel. You get a power outlet socket. This is for your USB charging. Places to keep your stuffs. There are 2 cup holders over here. This is the CVT gear lever. You get an eco mode over here. This is for your parking. I'll show you the reverse camera. This is the reverse camera. This is for the eco mode, which you can see it over here. This mode actually helps you to increase your fuel efficiency. You also get a sport mode. The gear lever is leather wrapped. These are soft plastics. This is the glove box of this car. This is the auto dimming rear view mirror. These are switch for your door lights. These are the reading lights, and this is for your sunroof, which opens like this. It has got a huge sunroof. This is the sunshade. You get mirrors over here. This is the front armrest. It's quite deep. In this car, you get 6 airbags, agile handling assist, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor system, rear parking sensors, hill start assist, ABS with EBD, and Alexa remote compatibility. Now at last, let's show you the features of this key. As the car is locked right now, first unlock the car. Then hold the key for at least 3 seconds. You can see all the 4 windows, including the sunroof, has opened. Even if you want to close all the windows of this car, first lock the car. Now hold the key, hold the lock key for at least 3 seconds. You can see all the doors, windows, including the sunroof, has closed. Now another feature of this remote key is, as the car is locked right now, hold this button for at least 3 seconds. You can see this car has started. It has also turned on its AC so that it can keep you cool when you enter inside the car. To turn off this car, you just have to press this key again for 3 seconds. See, right now, the engine has been shut down. This is how the Honda City 2020 actually is. That's all for this car. Hope you like this video. Do show your love with pressing the subscribe button below and kindly comment down your views about this car. Hope to see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and do maintain hygiene in and around your surrounding.